Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at a full basement reno. So these are the before pictures. You can see completely unfinished, and then we started adding in the framing. The walls are framed up. We added that center wall there, and lots of boxes on the ceiling, lots of ductwork that needed to be covered. And then we started getting the drywall up on the walls, as you can see here. And just making sure that all of those little details are attended to here to make sure that it's completely drywalled in on this one. So as we continue on, you can see here we did the setting over top of the existing installation that was there, and then once all the drywall was installed, we started getting the mudding and taping done to give it that beautiful finish. And yeah, looking at some of those more specific details there, started adding some paint, this nice gray color, and getting everything cleaned up, painting that ceiling and the edging, and then adding in our vinyl plank flooring. Just such a great solution in the basement with it being waterproof. We then completed the stairs with our custom stair nosing and continued the vinyl back into the back hallway and storage room, and then a tile vinyl into the bathroom at the back there. You can see here now the stairs are complete as we come on down, and here is our finished product. So we got the trim on and we got all those finishing details, and here it is. So there's a beautiful big open space there, nice projector TV fireplace, environment over on the one side, and lots of places to move around. Got the hallway with the doors to a storage room and a washroom. And those windows finished off there. So if you have any reno projects coming up, please check us out, www.stepupvinyl.ca. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button to see more of what we do here. And we hope you have a good one.